Good morning to all. In today's class of DLA subject Pedagogy of English, today our topic of learning is consonant letters and consonant sounds. What is the difference between consonant letters and consonant sounds? That we will see. The difference between consonant sounds and consonant letters. जैसे कि पिछली कक्षा में हमने पढ़ा था the difference between vowel sounds and vowel letters. So in that class we have learned that the letters are vowel letters are 5 in number, but they produce 20 different sounds. So vowel sounds are 20 in number and vowels are 5 in number. In the same way, today we will see the consonant sounds and consonant letters. As you know, consonant letters are totally 24, but mainly they are 21 in number. So today we will see that consonant letters and consonant sounds. Basic difference between consonant letter and consonant sound. So first we will see consonant letters are 21 in number. Consonant letters are 21 in number, whereas consonant sounds are 24 in number. Consonant letters जो है 21 है और consonant sounds जो है they are 24 in numbers. Second one, consonant letters may be written either in capital or in small form. Consonant letters can either be written in capital and small form. So they can be written in capital or small form, whereas consonant sounds are always represented by consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are always represented by their phonetic symbols. So sounds are always represented between two slanting lines by their phonetic symbols. Then next we will see consonant letters are used in writing words, phrases, and sentences. Consonant letters are used in writing words, phrases, and sentences. So consonant letters are used in writing words, phrases, and sentences. Consonant sounds are always written in phonetic translation, whereas consonant sounds are always written in their phonetic symbols. So they are always written in their phonetic symbols only. What consonant sound? Whereas consonant letters are always used in writing words, phrases, or sentences. Whereas consonant sounds are used always in their phonetic symbols are written always in their phonetic symbols only between two slanting lines. These are easy to remember. These are difficult to remember. So, as consonant sounds are in the form of symbols, they are somewhat difficult. जिसमें याद करने में, रिमेम्बर करने में, मेमोरी में स्टोर करने में इसमें डिफिकल्टी आती है। वेरस जो कंसोनेंट लेटर्स है इसको हम आसानी से रिमेम्बर कर सकते हैं, याद कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज these letters when combined with whole letters get their complete form. These letters when combined with vowel letters get their complete form. Get their complete form. So these consonant letters, when they are combined with vowel letters, they get their complete form. So ये जो है consonant letters जिनको हम हिंदी कहते हैं, ये स्वर की योग से ही पूरे कंप्लीट बनते हैं। तो जब तक इसमें vowel letters जुड़ा नहीं जाता, जब तक ये अपने कंप्लीट फॉर्म में नहीं आ सकते। So these sounds also get their complete form when combined with vowel sounds. These sounds also get their complete form when combined with vowel sounds. When combined with vowel. So these letters get their complete form when they are combined with vowel letters, whereas the sounds also get their complete form when they are combined with vowel sounds. Next one is if two consonant letters we will see here. Two consonant letters you do not have a vowel letter in between one of them remains silent. One of them remain silent. So, if two consonant letters do not have a vowel letter in between, दो consonant letter है उसके बीच में अगर एक vowel letter नहीं है तो one of the letter will remain silent. तो जब उसको साउंड का उच्चारण होगा प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगा उसमें से क्या होगा, एक व्यंजन लेटर जो है, एक कंसोनेंट लेटर जो है उसका उच्चारण नहीं होगा, वो साइलेंटली रहेगा। Whereas consonant sound, when a consonant sound is prolonged, it gives a vowel sound. When a consonant sound is prolonged, it gives a vowel sound. It gives a vowel sound. जबकि कंसोनेंट साउंड जो है, जब उसको ज्यादा देर तक बोला जाता है, ज्यादा देर तक उसको उच्चारित किया जाता है, तो वो क्या हो जाता है, वोवल साउंड के रूप में परिवर्तित हो जाता है। वो कंसोनेंट साउंड ना रह के वोवल साउंड बन जाता है। सो इफ टू कंसोनेंट लेटर्स डू नॉट हैव ए वोवल लेटर इन बिटवीन, वन ऑफ देम रिमेन्स साइलेंट। जैसे कि इसका एग्जांपल है, फॉर एग्जांपल वी कैन से दैट a word in English is FOLK. So this word is pronounced as folk. L sound doesn't come in between because between those two letters there is no sound. So that's why it is called as, the one letter remains silent in this thing. So today we have seen the difference between consonant letters and consonant sounds. Or today your home assignment is you have to write the difference between consonant letters and consonant sound. So, for today your road assignment is, you have to write the difference between consonant sound that we have learned today. For today, I will stop my class here on you and see you in the next class. As you know, COVID-19 pandemic disease is spreading very rapidly. So, the new Delta variant of this COVID is spreading very rapidly. So, keep yourself safe, stay at home, and wear a mask whenever it is emergency or urgent to go out of your home or house. Thank you.